We offer a cleaning service, whether the jewelry is purchased at our store or not. You can come in and we clean and check the jewelry. It's really important to actually have the jewelry checked, not just cleaned, because we can make sure and find if there's any loose stones or if the clasp is loose. It's preventative, so we can identify problems that maybe haven't occurred that are about to occur. Like, hey, your prongs are broken, you're about to lose your center stone. Here's a estimate to get it fixed. So we do offer cleaning and checking, which is actually pretty customary to most jewelry stores across the country. And it's free and it takes just minutes, so you can just pop on in if you want us to clean. We have women come in like once a week just to get their engagement ring cleaned. They come in and get their diamonds sparkly and they're off on their way. But every time we check it and clean it under a microscope to make sure everything stays intact. I would recommend for you to come in and get your jewelry cleaned at least maybe once a quarter. Again, it's complimentary. It doesn't take very long. But it's just a good way to keep things looking good, make sure the diamonds are secure and tight, and make sure your jewelry is as sparkly as it can be. All the time people come in and we clean their jewelry and say, I wish you would have came here earlier or a long time ago. I can't believe how beautiful my ring looks or my bracelet looks. So yeah, it's amazing. It's just like washing your car. Like, you want to wash it, so why not clean your jewelry? So